What's up, everybody? Welcome to this episode of Raga Chords. My name is Karthik Sekaran, and today we are going to talk about Bilaval. So, Bilaval is the name given to it in Hindustani music. In Carnatic music, it is known as Shankarabharanam, and in Western music, we are all very familiar with it. It is known as the Ionian mode or the major scale. Bilaval is probably the default setting that all of us have. If I ask you to sing Saregama right now, that's what you're going to sing. The Arhonam of this rag is Saregama Padhani Sa, and the Avrohanam is Sa Ni Dha Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. So let's talk about the chords of this raga. So let's talk about the chords in Bilaval. I'm using the key of C, so Sa, Sa. If you play all the white keys starting from the C, you will get Bilaval on the keyboard, on the piano. So you go Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni, Sa. The chords are very simple. All you need to do is the basic chords. You need to play the triads, and that means that you start from C, skip one note, which is the D, play the E, skip another note F, play the G. C, E, G, that's a C major chord. Sa. Now you keep moving this arrangement one key forward till you hit the higher octave C, and you'll get all the chords that you can use in the major scale in Raag Bilaval. So here you go. C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, B diminished, C again. So you can mix and match these chords and work out a progression that fits your song in Bilaval. Some popular progressions are A minor, G major, F major, G major again. So super popular song, My Heart Will Go On from Titanic by Celine Dion. It uses the A minor, G, F, G progression. Another progression is you can go C major and then go G major, F major. That is another progression. Pehla nasha, pehla khuma, naya pyar hai, naya intezar. Another example of a song in Bilaval. Some Tamil examples are Thoda Thoda Malarndadena. Thoda Thoda Malarndadena Puve Thottavane Marandadena. You want to spice up these chords a little bit, add the seventh to it, and that's literally the seventh from the root note. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is a C major, 7th chord, C major 7th, D minor 7th, E minor 7th, F major 7th, G 7, A minor 7, B minor 7 with a flat 5, because that's a B minor. So that's a flat 5, and back to C major 7. You can use these spiced up chords. Justin Bieber's Peaches is based on that. You start from the F major 7. As simple as that. Let me do some improv here, just an alaap in Bilaval. Narataya tara nararatara tata nararana So, there you go. Those are all the chords that you can use to make a song in Bilaval or Shankarabharanam or the major scale. There are plenty of Bollywood songs, South Indian film songs, English pop songs that you can use to understand how these progressions are being worked. So that's it from my end. I hope this helps you understand the chords behind Raag Bilaval a bit better. Keep experimenting with it, try out these chords, and don't forget to break some rules on the way. Remember to have fun with it. I'll see you in the next episode.
Color.